Dividing decimals with number chips. This is a digital lesson, and this one is space themed. The lesson starts with explaining to students how to move the decimal point to do your division. And the next two slides have examples of how this is done. So you want to move that decimal point in the divisor all the way to the right. In this case, it's one place to the right. So if you move the decimal point one place to the right in the divisor, you have to also move it one place to the right in the dividend. And here you can see when you get your quotient, you're just going to move that decimal point straight up into your answer. The next slide has an example when you move the decimal point two places to the right. Now students are going to start on slide 5. The first thing you want to have them do is just type in the number of places they have to move that decimal point to the right. So in this case, they just type a 1. That'll help them when they have to place this decimal point into their quotient. So here they're going to do the division as if there were no decimal points. So 5 goes into 34 6 times. So they're going to click and hold on the 6 and then move it into place. Now they're going to multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. So they click and hold on the edge of each of these numbers. Then they subtract. They bring down their 5. And then 5 goes into 45 exactly 9 times. Now they're going to move this decimal point, so they just click and hold on it. And they have to move that one place to the right, so it's going to end up in between the 6 and the 9. Now you'll notice on all of these problems there is a letter and a yellow heart. So on the final slide there will be a space riddle that they're going to solve by matching that letter to their answer. So they've got a few more to solve. These get a little bit more difficult as they go. Some of these are going to have to do some guess and check. So here you can see it gets a little bit longer. And then when they get to that final slide, here are all of the answers they should have from the previous slides. So they're going to go back and they're going to find these quotients and they're going to type in the letter that's in the yellow heart. If they've done these correctly, they will solve the riddle, how do you put a baby astronaut to sleep? So that is the space-themed dividing decimals with number chips.